Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by opening Bing Wallpaper or the Edge New Tab background. Sign in with your Microsoft account so images and preferences sync. This matters if you use multiple devices. Once installed, grant the app permissions to change your wallpaper and run at startup. These let images update automatically. If you prefer manual control, keep auto change off. Now set the initial preferences, image categories, and frequency. This gets you immediately visible Bing wallpapers ready to manage. Next, customize what appears on your screen. You can choose categories like landscapes or travel so images match your taste. This improves relevance and reduces clutter. Then decide the update frequency. Daily gives fresh content, weekly conserves bandwidth, and manual keeps a single favorite. Make sure to enable location-based content if you want regional scenes. Finally, use the heart icon to save favorites and open history to reapply past images. These steps make the experience both personal and predictable. Finish by applying your settings and testing a wallpaper change to confirm everything works. If sync is enabled, check another device to make sure choices carried over. If the wallpaper doesn't update, restart the Bing Wallpaper app and verify it's allowed to run at startup. Also confirm internet access. If that fails, clear the app cache or sign out of your Microsoft account, then sign back in. One key tip: background blockers or strict firewall rules commonly prevent updates, so make sure they aren't blocking the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.